Lucid Motors, an electric vehicle manufacturer based in California, has captivated the world with its focus on luxury and high performance. Their flagship model, the Lucid Air Sedan, shook up the EV market when it launched, setting new standards for range, speed, and luxury. But now, Lucid is looking beyond the Air to create something even more ambitious. Enter the Lucid Gravity, a cutting-edge electric SUV that is poised to redefine the luxury SUV market and establish Lucid Motors as a premier name in electric mobility. More than just another luxury EV, the Gravity represents the promise of a new automotive industry in the Middle East, thanks in no small part to a strategic partnership with Saudi Arabia's Public Investment Fund. Let's begin with Lucid's initial vision, from luxury sedans to expanding the EV market. Founded by Peter Rawlinson, a former Tesla engineer, Lucid Motors set out with a mission to create a different kind of electric vehicle, one that could combine the luxury of high-end automotive design with the eco-consciousness of clean technology. Lucid's first offering, the Lucid Air Sedan, was a bold statement. With a maximum range of over 500 miles on a single charge, it set a new benchmark in EV performance, outperforming even Tesla's Model S in both efficiency and luxury. The Air also boasted a spacious interior, state-of-the-art technology, and an impressive acceleration rate that reached 60 miles per hour in under 3 seconds. The Lucid Air's immediate success signaled to the market that Lucid Motors was serious about innovation. This marked Lucid as a luxury brand to be reckoned with, but for Rawlinson, the Air was only the beginning. Next in line was an even more ambitious project, the Lucid Gravity, an SUV that could compete with heavyweights like Tesla's Model X, the Rivian R1S, and the upcoming Kia EV9. Stay with me till the end to grasp a full update on this. If you are new, remember to subscribe, like, and hit on the bell notification to stay notified on any recent videos. Thank you. Back to today's focus. Building the Gravity. From design to manufacturing, Lucid's Gravity was designed to appeal to a growing demographic of environmentally conscious, luxury-focused consumers who want the power, style, and spaciousness of an SUV without the environmental costs. Scheduled for release in late 2024, the Gravity is the company's first foray into the SUV market, and Lucid is betting big on its potential. The Gravity SUV combines the high-end design features and performance that have become synonymous with the Lucid brand, but it takes the concept to new heights by offering a larger cabin space and cutting-edge features tailored for the SUV segment. The Gravity is expected to offer an impressive 440-mile range on a single charge, making it one of the longest-range electric SUVs on the market. It will be capable of towing up to 6,000 pounds and comes with the option for 3 rows of seats, making it ideal for larger families and those who need extra storage space. Lucid also integrated a 900-volt architecture into the Gravity, enabling rapid charging capabilities that allow it to add 200 miles of range in just 15 minutes. Such fast charging times put the Gravity among the elite in the EV world. The design process for the Gravity was meticulous. The team behind the vehicle took a detailed approach to every element of the car, from its aerodynamic exterior, which reduces drag, to its spacious interior that can seat up to 7 passengers comfortably. A dual display setup adorns the dashboard, showcasing Lucid's commitment to modern luxury and high-tech functionality. The Gravity has been engineered to offer a driving experience unlike any other electric SUV on the market, marrying spaciousness and performance without compromising on style or luxury. To meet the anticipated demand for the Gravity, Lucid needed to significantly expand its production capacity. In Casa Grande, Arizona, Lucid invested heavily in its advanced manufacturing plant, AMP1, expanding it from 850,000 square feet to a staggering 3.85 million square feet. This expansion included a state-of-the-art production line that would allow Lucid to seamlessly switch between models, enabling the production of not only the Lucid Air and Gravity, but also future models. The revamped facility can now produce up to 90,000 vehicles per year, positioning Lucid to meet the demands of a rapidly growing EV market. This production expansion was a strategic move. Lucid's factory isn't just designed for high output, it's also built to be adaptable. The flexible production line means that Lucid can quickly adjust to changes in market demand and introduce new models without the need for extensive retooling. The AMP-1 expansion in Casa Grande is a significant milestone for Lucid, as it allows the company to scale up its operations and increase output, ensuring that it can meet the anticipated demand for the Gravity and future models. Saudi Arabia Partnership and the Vision 2030 Initiative. Lucid's ambitions go beyond simply producing luxury EVs. The company also seeks to be a global leader in sustainable mobility. Saudi Arabia's Public Investment Fund saw an opportunity to align Lucid's goals with its own national strategy for economic diversification, Vision 2030. In 2018, PIF invested heavily in Lucid, securing a 60% ownership stake in the company. This move was part of Saudi Arabia's long-term strategy to reduce its reliance on oil and foster a new, diversified economy driven by advanced technology and sustainable practices. Through Vision 2030, Saudi Arabia aims to become a global leader in clean energy and sustainable technology. The country's investments in Lucid Motors fit neatly into this plan, positioning the kingdom as a player in the electric vehicle market. As part of their commitment, Saudi Arabia has pledged to purchase up to 100,000 Lucid vehicles over the next decade, providing a guaranteed market for Lucid's production. This pledge not only supports Lucid's financial stability, but also solidifies Saudi Arabia's commitment to reducing carbon emissions. To facilitate this partnership, Lucid agreed to establish its first overseas manufacturing facility in Saudi Arabia's King Abdullah Economic City, KEC. This facility, known as AMP-2, began semi-knockdown assembly in 2023, where vehicles are partially constructed in Arizona and then shipped to Saudi Arabia for final assembly. With an initial capacity of 5,000 vehicles annually, the plant is expected to scale up to full production capabilities by the middle of the decade, eventually producing up to 150,000 vehicles per year. Lucid's rapid growth and expansion have not come without challenges. Since going public in 2021, the company has faced substantial financial hurdles. Despite a promising start and high initial valuations, Lucid has consistently fallen short of its production targets, partly due to the high costs associated with scaling an automotive business from the ground up. For instance, while Lucid expected to deliver around 49,000 vehicles in 2023, it ultimately produced only 8,428 units. These setbacks have impacted Lucid's financial performance, with the company losing approximately $8 million a day on operations alone. Despite these challenges, Saudi Arabia's PIF has continued to support Lucid, reinforcing its commitment to long-term success in the EV market. The kingdom's stake in Lucid represents not only a financial investment, but also a strategic commitment to becoming a leader in sustainable energy. As one of Lucid's primary backers, PIF has shown a willingness to invest billions into the company, even as it grapples with production challenges and losses. This commitment underscores Saudi Arabia's belief in the potential of Lucid to deliver high-quality electric vehicles and its importance within the Vision 2030 framework. The Gravity's competitive landscape. The electric SUV market is becoming increasingly crowded, with numerous brands vying for market share. Lucid's Gravity will face stiff competition from established players like Tesla's Model X, Rivian's R1S, Audi's Q8 e-tron, and Cadillac's Lyriq. Each of these models offers a unique blend of luxury, range, and performance, making it a challenge for newcomers like Lucid to carve out a niche. What sets the Gravity apart is its impressive range, charging speed, and luxurious interior. With a dual-motor configuration and all-wheel drive, the Gravity's performance is expected to rival that of top-tier competitors. Additionally, Lucid's proprietary 900-volt architecture allows the Gravity to be one of the fastest-charging electric SUVs on the market, a feature that appeals to consumers concerned with charging convenience and long-distance travel. Furthermore, Lucid has designed the Gravity with a family-oriented focus, offering both 2- and 3-row configurations. The spacious interior, luxurious materials, and modern tech features make the Gravity stand out as a true luxury SUV for environmentally conscious families. Even as Lucid prepares for the launch of Gravity, the company is already looking ahead to its next model, a mid-size crossover codenamed Project Earth. Scheduled for release in 2026, the Earth is expected to be a more affordable, family-friendly option that will compete with the Tesla Model Y, one of the most popular EVs on the market. The Earth is projected to have a starting price of around $48,000, significantly lower than Lucid's previous models, making it accessible to a broader consumer base. This mid-size crossover is expected to build on Lucid's established reputation for luxury and performance while appealing to consumers who may not have been able to afford the Air or Gravity. The Earth represents Lucid's attempt to capture a larger share of the EV market by offering a more affordable option that retains the brand's commitment to quality and performance. Saudi Arabia's Vision 2030 and the road to self-sufficiency. The AMP2 facility in Saudi Arabia is not just a factory. It's part of a larger vision. Located near the Red Sea, AMP2 benefits from easy access to supply chains and logistics hubs, allowing it to efficiently ship vehicles to European, African, and Asian markets. This strategic location is key to Saudi Arabia's plans to reduce dependency on imported vehicles and build a local automotive industry. Saudi Arabia has long been reliant on imports for its automotive needs, but with AMP2, the kingdom is positioning itself as a regional powerhouse for EV production. The goal is to produce vehicles locally and eventually to export them, fostering a self-sustaining automotive industry within the country. The Saudi government has ambitious plans to increase the presence of electric vehicles in the kingdom. According to Vision 2030, Saudi Arabia aims for 30% of all new car sales to be electric by the end of the decade. This target is in line with global trends towards sustainability, and Lucid Motors is a key partner in helping the kingdom reach this goal. To support this objective, Lucid's AMP2 facility is expected to create thousands of local jobs and stimulate the growth of a local supplier network. As more automotive components are manufactured domestically, the kingdom's dependence on imports will lessen, creating a self-sustaining ecosystem that aligns with Vision 2030. Saudi Arabia's commitment to creating a robust automotive industry extends beyond Lucid Motors. The kingdom has formed partnerships with other major players in the global automotive industry, including Hyundai and Foxconn, both of whom are expected to establish manufacturing facilities in King Abdullah Economic City. By attracting multiple major automotive manufacturers to the region, Saudi Arabia hopes to foster an ecosystem where local suppliers can thrive, providing parts and services to multiple manufacturers in a single location. This clustering of factories could encourage the development of regional suppliers, which are crucial for reducing production costs and improving supply chain efficiency. As more companies invest in the region, the Middle East may become a new hub for electric vehicle manufacturing, with Saudi Arabia leading the charge. Lucid Motors' technological advancements in battery efficiency and fast-charging infrastructure align well with Saudi Arabia's goals for sustainability. Lucid's use of 900-volt architecture and advanced battery technology not only provides faster charging, but also demonstrates a commitment to cutting-edge innovation. In terms of sustainability, Lucid's design philosophy emphasizes minimal environmental impact, aligning well with Saudi Arabia's green initiatives. The kingdom's investment in Lucid goes beyond a financial partnership. It represents a mutual dedication to developing new sustainable technologies and promoting environmental stewardship. Saudi Arabia's Vision 2030 includes ambitious goals for reducing carbon emissions, and supporting companies like Lucid is a strategic way for the kingdom to achieve these targets. Despite the excitement surrounding Lucid Motors and the Gravity SUV, challenges remain. Lucid has yet to achieve profitability and has faced difficulties meeting its production targets. Financial hurdles are common in the capital-intensive automotive industry, and Lucid's ambitious goals require careful management and sustained investment. Nevertheless, the partnership with Saudi Arabia provides a financial cushion that few other EV startups can boast. The PIF support, combined with Lucid's innovative approach and expanding product lineup, gives the company a solid foundation to build on. For Lucid, the next few years will be critical as they seek to deliver the Gravity, introduce the Earth, and make good on their promise of luxury, sustainable transportation. The future of Lucid and Saudi Arabia's automotive ambitions. As the global demand for electric vehicles continues to rise, Lucid Motors is well positioned to capture a significant share of the luxury EV market. With the launch of the Gravity, the development of AMP2 in Saudi Arabia, and plans for the Earth crossover, Lucid has a clear path for growth. For Saudi Arabia, this partnership is a stepping stone toward establishing itself as a leader in sustainable technology and diversifying its economy. If successful, Lucid's journey could inspire a wave of new innovations in the EV industry and set a new standard for international partnerships focused on sustainability. The Gravity SUV is more than just a luxury vehicle. It's a symbol of what can be achieved when vision meets commitment, and it may very well be the driving force behind a new era of sustainable transportation in the Middle East. Through Vision 2030, Saudi Arabia's investment in Lucid, and the groundbreaking developments at AMP2, the future looks bright for Lucid Motors and for the kingdom's ambitions to lead the EV revolution. The road may be challenging, but with the right partnerships, cutting-edge technology, and a commitment to innovation, Lucid and Saudi Arabia are well on their way to transforming the global electric vehicle landscape. Thank you for sticking to the end. We appreciate your time. If you love what was gathered, leave us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon to stay updated on upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.